I think what you said regarding how underestimated biology in general is, not only in India but generally, is makes a lot of sense, and it's our duty to educate people that don't know about it, especially now because of these
Absolutely.
2 years. And if you look at it, essentially everything is biology, right? I mean,
Exactly.
what is biology? Biology is the molecular study or the makeup of everything that is around us.
Correct.
So everything around us is biology. So the applications and the implications of biology are just endless.
Yes.
So I have a few other friends who are in a similar field as yours, and they told me that if you look at life around you in general, or even at in human skin, there are so many bacteria, microorganisms, and viruses present at any given point in time that it'll be impossible for you to live. Because humans are fragile creatures, but at the same time, we're also very resilient.
Yes.
And it's a paradox, with the amount of things that can kill you, and how delicate humans are, we're somehow still alive.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, that is how I'd like to put it.
So what made me interested was evaporation. When we had learned evaporation in school first, that's when I started actually thinking, and we were made to do this experiment in school when we were very young, that we had a bowl of water and we were made to keep it at the window, and our teacher said that you keep it here, leave it here, and you come tomorrow and see how much water is left, or is it left or it's not left. So I was very keen and I was very eager the next day to go and see, is water left or what is there. And I went and saw that the level of water had actually reduced, but now that I think of it, the sun was not that much on. It was a gloomy day actually, so the evaporation level was not that much. So, but it was there. So that's when I thought that this is magic. That where did the water go? Did someone drop it and all? And then I started understanding. So then when we started reading, learning a little more about these things, that's when I understood that this is something which really interests me. And as I said earlier, that's to hold my attention is that I need to understand the thing. So the more I understand something, the more I get more excited and more inclined to learning it. So that's how I was determined to work in this field.
And a few people who watch this or will watch this, and generally a lot of people find, the things that are around us and the things that we take for granted very funny.
Yeah.
You know, the fact that you found something as basic or normal in our life, people would call it as evaporation, fascinating, is what gravitated you towards science.
Yeah.
And what is science? Science is the field, basically the explanation of everything, the why and the how and the where of everything.
Absolutely.
And I think that's the beauty of it. Nothing is taken for granted, and there's a reason for everything, and it's incredible, and it's so beautiful that you still have that passion